Every organization knows that what's most important is your relationship with the customer. And it's the support teams that help you out when times are tough.
But in this increasingly competitive world, it is not enough just to have someone sitting behind a phone. You need to constantly empower your support teams with the technology.
One of the most exciting areas in innovating support is harnessing data.
Today, we are going to discuss how you can use data to beef up your support across 3 different layers.
Firstly, you can collect data from your products and solutions which are already in the field. You can then use this data to create tools to help your support teams run better.
To do that, you need to have an automated way of collecting the data from the field. You can create agents who run in the background without disturbing your operations on site. These agents are set to send data to the cloud periodically in predefined and dynamic formats. Once you have the data in the cloud, you can have an application to process the data. You can store them in a way of creating some reports out of it. And most importantly, you can notify your support teams so that they can help your customers proactively.
This way, you can reach out to your customers and provide support before they even have to call you. The next phase is collecting data on how your support team uses these support tools. This data can then be used to make enhancements to the tool, which will in turn help your support team provide better support.
You can build an assistive tool on top of the monitoring tool, which will direct your support engineer to the potential areas which may have caused the issue. And also it helps you to perform some inbuilt actions to resolve the current problem. At the same time, this assistive tool stores the data about how you resolve the issue and the steps you followed so that you can use those insights later to troubleshoot the similar cases more effectively.
And if you want to get really advanced, you can cross-analyze the data you've collected. The data collected from the products and solutions in the field and the data collected from how your teams use these tools can be combined with the data on how these issues are ultimately resolved.
These datasets can be analyzed using another tool to recommend some action items based on the historical data as well as previous case resolutions. There can be some manual inputs from support engineers who resolve these issues, which might add some value or propose some workarounds. This tool will also be able to suggest what might happen in the next couple of months in terms of trending issues, resolution times, as well as predictive support.
So now you know a little bit more about how data can help you improve support.
We hope you found this useful, so go try it for yourself.